This iSANMATE 16KG PETG Filament Bundle gives you 16 full 1 kg spools in a wide mix of practical and vibrant colors, which is ideal for multi-project workshops and small print farms. The PEG material offers a good balance of toughness, impact resistance, and flexibility, making it well-suited for functional parts that need to handle daily use without cracking. Its resistance to moisture, sunlight, and higher temperatures makes it a strong choice for outdoor prints such as garden accessories, fixtures, and hobby projects that live outside. Dimensional control is tight enough that extrusion stays consistent across long jobs, helping to reduce under-extrusion lines and improve overall surface quality. When paired with the recommended nozzle and bed temperatures, this filament typically adheres reliably to the build plate and shows solid layer bonding even on taller parts. If you take the time to dry the spools before printing, the filament tends to produce cleaner walls, fewer stringing issues, and a smoother finish on detailed models.